these are my organic based cleaners that I particularly use in my house. I know that the Method cleaners and the Myers cleaners that I am actually using in this video, you can get on Grove Collaborative. I am so grateful that I am able to work with them in this video. So if you're interested in signing up with them, you get $10 when you sign up with the refer link down below. So make sure you click that link before signing up, and then you can have $10 towards whatever you buy. I am super excited to be working with them in this video. I am not sponsored. I am just loving these products, and I just wrote them and wanted to know if I could work with them and if I could have a referral link. So that link will be down below. Now on to cleaning music. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. The time frame to do all this in was 1 hour and 12 minutes. So I stayed super close to my 1 hour power hour mark. I just want to say thank you so much to Grove Collaborative for working with me on this video and giving me a referral link for you guys. So yet again, make sure you check that out down below, and I will see you in the next video super soon.